Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got a pretty epic drive that me and John in the yellow 10 are about to take. And as you can see, look where we stopped off to start the video. It's got like valleys all around us. So we're actually heading that way. Up there, there is, this car to go by, there is like an epic bit of road coming up eventually when we get up there. Going by Google Maps, which I'll put a photo up of what it looked like, but it is like got some crazy twists and turns. So I'm gonna put this camera on my head. I'm gonna set the 360 camera up on the back of the car. John's gonna lead because he's just got a fresh paint job and I do not want to be in front of him throwing stone chips at his fresh paint job. So yeah, we are going to get a pretty epic video, I think. We're gonna stop at a lookout up the top somewhere and I'll get the gimbal out and get some cool shots of that as well. But for now, I'll stop rambling on. We'll jump in the cars, set the cameras up and head off and do some driving. So how is that for a parking spot and view? Just absolutely crazy up here. So yeah, as you guys saw, the roads were pretty tight and very bumpy. So we had, yeah, sections there where we both actually thought we lost our front bumpers or front lips. I thought I lost my whole bumper. I expected to get up here and my bumper, like on this side, to be just like hanging off, but somehow it's fine. My under tray is definitely paying for itself these days because that did some serious scraping. But yeah, the cars did survive. I think driving roads like this, I may want to just raise the front of my car just a little bit. And yeah, if you look at John's front lip over there, it's literally resting on the grass. So I don't know how he made it up, because yeah, he thought he lost his front lip as well. But yeah, both cars did well, and it was definitely had some really fun sections, really tight, just very bumpy, not as suited for fast driving, but still a lot of fun. And then yeah, hopefully enjoyed the mixture between the in-cabin POV driving footage and the 360 camera at the back of the car footage, and also yeah, a little cinematic at the end there once we got up to this spot. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video there. So if you guys did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you did enjoy this sort of slightly different midweek mountain run video that we've done. I do these types of drives by myself a fair bit. I don't always film them, but yeah, John actually wanted to come to this particular lookout and hit me up if I was on any days off midweek. And so yeah, we lined this up and it was a lot of fun. So I might try and do videos like this more often in the future if you guys enjoyed it. So definitely let me know in the comments. But yeah, I think that is going to be it. We're just going to kind of chill for a bit up here and just enjoy this view and just like the really nice breeze that we have, and then head home. So with all that said, until next time, one more pan of the view, and I'll catch you guys later.